I wanted to do a teaching abroad course and I knew I wanted to go to Asia, and did quite a bit of research into where to go. And I was impressed by the TESOL course because it was the only one I found where you could actually study in the country you're going to be working in, and that was really important to me. My sister had done an online course before she went to teach in South Africa, and I was just saw how she was doing, said nah, that's not for me. So I've learned a lot from doing the course. I've learned about grammar, lesson planning, and so many other things, and they're really willing to help you and answer your questions on whatever you want. I would definitely recommend the course to others. Actually, I already have sort of casually recommended it. My mum emailed me to say a friend of hers had heard about what I was doing and her son wanted to do something similar. Would I recommend it? I said yes. And what advice I would give to other people to take the course: don't come along to the course thinking that this is a chance for you to have a holiday, but providing you are willing to put in the work, you will enjoy yourself, and just get on that plane and be willing to give it a go and get involved.